you know, if you're trying to survive someday, and your only chance at survival is can you tell whether or not a number is prime, you would use this sieve of this guy. I won't say his name. Anyway, now, according to that sieve, you can take the square root of the number in question. The square root of 671, it is 25 point something. It keeps on going. It's approximately 27. Now, I want to know what is the greatest prime you have to look at. So we're looking for prime numbers that are less than or equal to 25. Okay, well, let's go ahead and list them. Our prime numbers start with 2, numbers whose factors are only 1 in themselves. 2, 3, 4 is not prime because you have factors 1 and 4 and 2 and 2. 5 is prime. 6, no. 6 is composite. 1 times 6 and 2 times 3. 7 is prime. 8 is composite. 9 has factors more than 1 and 9, also 3 and 3. 10 is composite. 11 is prime, but 12 is composite. 13 is prime. 14 has factors 2 and 7. 15 has factors 3 and 5. 16, lots of factors. 17 is prime. 18 is composite, factors like 2 and 9, 3 and 6. 19 is prime. 20, well, 20 is composite, lots of factors such as 4 and 5. 21 is composite, factors such as 3 and 7. 22 is composite, factors like 2 and 11. But 23, now that's prime. 24 is composite. 25 is composite. So these are all of the primes that are less than or equal to 25 and change. That means if I want to know if 671 is prime, the biggest prime number I must consider is 23 when you're asked for the greatest prime. But let's just keep going and ask, is 671 going to be prime? To find out, we're going to divide by those prime numbers. Now, 2 does not divide 671, and this is the symbol for does not divide because you have a remainder or a decimal miss. 3 does not divide 671. Remember your rules for divisibility. 671 doesn't end in 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. 671, if I add those digits 6, 7, and 1, that sum, 14, is not divisible by 3. As for 5, 5 does not divide 671. The number does not end in 0 or 5. 7 doesn't divide 671. That test is not very efficient. Let's not discuss it. Okay. 11. Oh my goodness. 11 does divide 671. 11 goes into 671. How many times is the question? 61. Well, who knew? But it does go in perfectly with 0 remainder. What that tells us is that 671 is not prime. And remember, the greatest prime you had to consider was 23. Oh, fascinating, isn't it? You want more?